Best soldering stations. Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Weller WLC 140 watt soldering station. The Weller WLC 140 watt soldering iron kit is the ideal choice for hobbyists, DIYers, and crafters who want dependable performance without breaking the bank. Designed for users who don't require a digital display, this analog soldering station delivers steady heat, excellent control, and long-lasting durability, perfect for stained glass work, electronics, small repairs, and general household projects. Featuring 40 watts of adjustable power and a temperature range up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, the WLC 100 gives you the flexibility to tackle everything from delicate solder joints to larger, heat-demanding materials. During real-world use, leaded solder flows smoothly at setting 2, while lead-free activates at setting 3, making it easy to dial in the right temperature with minimal trial and error. Higher settings, 4 and 5, provide the quick heat transfer required for large joints or more demanding applications. This kit includes an interchangeable ST3 tip, ideal for larger soldering tasks. Need finer detail for PCBs or precision electronics? Simply swap the tip for a narrower one to expand your capabilities. The iron features a comfortable grip, a reasonably flexible cord, and a durable, stable stand with a built-in cleaning sponge, everything you need to maintain accuracy and cleanliness during work sessions. With strong scores in ease of use, 4.25/5, performance, 4.5/5, and value, 4.75/5, the Weller WLC 100 is a trusted, affordable tool that delivers professional-level results. Take the time to learn its settings, and it will serve you reliably for years. Number 2. Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD soldering iron station. The Yihua 75 watt soldering and hot air rework station delivers professional-grade versatility for makers, technicians, engineers, and anyone who needs more than a standard soldering iron. With a 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range for the soldering iron and 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit for the hot air gun, this powerful station offers unmatched control for detailed PCB work, circuit repair, and intricate component rework. Designed for precision and convenience, the Yihua arrives as a complete ready-to-use kit. Inside the box, you'll find the soldering iron, 10 interchangeable tips, a hot air rework gun, a desoldering pump, a voltmeter, and even a roll of lead-free solder, a full suite of tools to support beginners and professionals alike. The flexible cord and sturdy iron stand make long sessions more comfortable and stable. During testing, the station impressed with exceptional accuracy, leaded solder flowed reliably at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and lead-free at 650 degrees Fahrenheit, confirming the precision of the temperature display. The hot air rework gun quickly liquefied solder for clean, efficient removal, though a more precise nozzle would help prevent heating adjacent components. Even so, the combination of hot air and desoldering pump made rework straightforward and effective. With top-tier scores for ease of use, 4.5/5, performance, 4.75/5, and value, 4.75/5, this Yihua rework station stands out as a comprehensive, high-performance solution. For electronics hobbyists, repair professionals, and anyone working with small joint soldering, it's an all-in-one workstation that delivers exceptional results and long-lasting value. Number 3. Smith Air/Acet Kit. Turn up the heat with the Smith Air/Acetylene Silversmith Soldering Torch, a professional-grade torch capable of reaching an incredible 4,770 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the tip selected. Designed for jewelers, metal artists, and craftspeople, this torch delivers the intense heat needed for working with copper, silver, gold, and other metals, far beyond the capabilities of standard electric soldering irons. While it's too powerful for PCBs, it excels at detailed metalwork and precision soldering applications. This torch kit includes a number 00 soldering tip, ideal for delicate jewelry repairs and fine detail joins. Additional tips, such as the number 03 used in testing, allow users to scale up the flame for larger pieces. The system connects directly to an acetylene tank, not included, and comes equipped with a flexible hose, pressure gauges, and a manual striker for quick ignition. Oxygen is automatically blended in the correct ratio, making operation smooth and beginner-friendly. In performance testing, the Smith torch easily melted silver solder, which flows at approximately 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, providing clean, even joins in seconds. Flame adjustment is simple, just turn the control knob to shift from a gentle, quiet flame to a strong, concentrated roar. Whether you're crafting custom jewelry or making precise metal repairs, this torch offers consistent results and impressive heat control. Rated highly for ease of use, 4.75/5, performance, 4.5/5, and value, 4.5/5. The Smith torch is a versatile, high-heat tool perfect for artisans and metalworking professionals. Just remember to shut off the gas supply when you're finished for safe operation. Number 4. X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W Soldering Iron Station. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W contact soldering station is engineered to make every soldering project faster, easier, and more precise. With a powerful 75W output and an adjustable 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range, this station heats up in just 30 seconds, letting you get to work without waiting. The bright, easy-to-read digital temperature display ensures accurate heat settings for everything from delicate electronic repairs to heavier solder joints. Designed with user convenience in mind, this soldering station features dual helping hands, flexible clamps that securely hold your workpiece in place. These hands-free supports are invaluable when your project demands perfect positioning or when you need both hands free to manage solder and maneuver the iron. They make complex tasks smoother, more efficient, and significantly more enjoyable. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC also includes a built-in tip cleaner holder, tip cleaner sold separately, and a dedicated wet sponge area, ensuring you can maintain a clean, efficient tip throughout your workflow. Keeping the tip clean is essential, as the unit does not come with extras, so proper maintenance ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're repairing electronics, assembling DIY projects, or tackling intricate metalwork, this soldering station offers impressive power, excellent temperature control, and thoughtful features that support accuracy. For hobbyists and pros alike, the X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC is a dependable and well-designed choice that delivers convenience and reliable results on every project. Number 5. Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. The Yihua 939D Plus 75W digital soldering station is an excellent choice for DIYers, hobbyists, and repair enthusiasts who prefer using lead-free solder and neat, consistent, reliable heat. With a powerful 75W output and an adjustable 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range, this station heats quickly and provides all the power necessary to liquefy lead-free solder with ease. Yihua even includes a roll of lead-free solder, making this kit ready to use right out of the box. Designed for versatility, the 939D Plus comes with 3 replaceable soldering tips, allowing you to choose the perfect shape for fine electronics, medium joints, or general repair work. When tips eventually wear out, replacements are quick and simple, ensuring long-lasting performance. The kit also includes a soldering tip cleaner, a must-have for maintaining tip condition and producing smooth, reliable lead-free solder joints. This model is essentially a scaled-down version of Yihua's full reworkstation, offering the same strong heating performance without the added cost of extra tools like the hot air gun or voltmeter. For users who don't need a complete rework setup, the 939D Plus delivers exceptional quality and capability at a more affordable price. With its precise temperature control, solid build quality, and user-friendly digital interface, the Yihua 939D Plus is a smart investment for anyone tackling electronics repair, household fixes, custom projects, or hobby builds. It's a reliable, efficient, and well-equipped station that delivers professional-level results without the complexity or extra cost.